Welcome to Drea's Travels. Please remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Hey fellow travelers, I wanted to let y'all guys know about this T-Mobile Tuesday Shell discount. They have a promotion for 25 cents off a gallon till September 6, 2022. Okay, to get started, you're going to need 3 apps. First, T-Mobile Tuesday. You'll set up with your phone number, the Shell Fuel Rewards, just make a quick account, and the same account for the Shell app. Right after you have those accounts set up, we're going to open T-Mobile Tuesday every Tuesday. They change out some of the other rewards, but I'm going to focus on the Shell app that's near the bottom of the rewards. There you go. When you click on save, it'll give you a code. You don't have to copy it. It'll automatically take you to the fuel rewards and you'll see it pop up in a few seconds. You hit apply and you'll see it attached to your account. You do that on Tuesday and it's good for a week till Friday. Right now it's 25 cents. Normally it's 10 cents. All right, now that we've added the Shell app, let's open that and you can see it says 25 and we're going to pay at the pump. You also have the choice to pay inside, and remember you can link PayPal, which right now with Discover card for this quarter has 5% cash back, so it's a little extra savings. You can link like a regular Discover card to it or anything that you choose to pay with. I usually change up whichever's giving the 5% cash back. So I'm gonna select pay at the pump, and as you saw outside, we're at pump 14, so that's all we have to do. It chooses the location near us to fill up, and I'm gonna hit make the payment. And I already established a PIN, and it's going to authorize it, and then you'll see the pump active now. So let's go outside. Now that we're outside, you can see what it looks like before you activated the pump. You don't have to enter any keypads or tap or enter your card. This reduces skimming. This is what the price looked like before we activated the app. All right, now it says it's ready for fuel, so you can continue as you normally would, select which type you're going to use. I wanted to say a little reminder, if you're unsure which type of fuel you need to use, it's always labeled inside the cap, and to try to use the lowest setting when filling up gas. One thing I like about this app is it gives a different payment number every time you're at a pump. All right, you let it continue to pump as normal, and you can see there's our savings. My car's at about an 8-gallon tank. And let's get back in the car to check out our receipt. All right, now that we're done pumping gas, you can see our receipt. And they also email it to you so you can see the differences in savings. And that's how you save with T-Mobile Tuesday and Shell. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Remember, I'm not a sponsor of T-Mobile or Shell. I just wanted to help people with savings, especially with travel, since summer travel has been picking up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.